Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Today I have the most expensive ticket in Portugal for tuna or portion. Hola a todos, bom dia, mais um dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar, ok? Hoje eu tenho fortuna, fortuna, o número today guys, when I was scratching tickets in the lottery store, I saw two losing tickets, ticket number 2 and 3. So I asked the lady, what's the next number? And she told me 1, and it's the last in the book. There is no ticket number 4 or 5 or ticket number 0. So there's no point of buying 2. So I only bought 1. This is the last one in the book. Okay. Outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket? It's a matching number game. And in the bonus area, we're looking for 200 to win 200, 100 to win 100, 50 to win 50, 20 to win 20. And I'm gonna use this big coin from 2020 scratchers. I think she's California, I think. Okay. She's not active on YouTube anymore, guys. Okay, I like to start in the bonus area, guys. We're looking for 200, and no, 100, no, 50, no. How about 20? No. So in the bonus area, there's no win. So let's hope we can find at least money back in this session. Okay, we're looking for 36, 36, 53, 24, 38, 58, 64, 35, 37. I read the number in Portuguese, guys, okay? 65, 13, 19, 29, 39, 11, 14, 69. A lot of nines, guys. No, 66, 42, backwards, 31, 48, 38, 58, 23, 12, 70, it's too high, 60, nada, 21, 33, nada, 47. Oh meu Dios, the last 3 numbers. 52. Nada. And the last number? The size. Nada. Okay, so there's no win in this session. I thought I'm gonna win because 2 losing tickets in a row. But no. I didn't win. Okay, at least I thought it's a winning ticket. That I wanted to buy 2, guys, but no, there's no this is the last ticket in the book, so there's no win. Okay, so what can we do? At least we tried, guys. Okay, bye, have a nice day, ciao, thank you for watching, obrigada a todos.